So I did want to finish off with this HMDA master plan um, with the residential areas being around the work centers and manufacturing zones. Um, it seems to be a great idea because then you have people living and working in these areas that seem to be within walking distance or even within the major artery. Um, but the problem still has to do with transportation and how there is heavy use of vehicles in these circumstances, and how light rapid transit or light rapid bus transit can alleviate a lot of these problems, um, or even a subway system that goes in and out of the city without actually having to go over any of the infrastructure can be a real benefit to the city and getting around. Um, so that way people don't rely as much on their cars, and there's less traffic on the roads, and creating areas that are more bike friendly and having developed lanes for like taxis or rickshaws that can potentially help boost tourism, because a lot of these vehicles aren't necessarily common in other cities, and that's why a lot of people find these vehicles fascinating. It also helps them in case they are a little confused about the transportation, or they want to get somewhere directly from one place to another. And you have these vehicles, much like other vehicles like tuk tuks, which are also pretty cool, that can efficiently get around the city, and they're very light use. They don't take up much space, and they can transport people without having to take up that much space. So having designated lanes for those, and as well as for bike lanes for people to get around the city without their cars, can benefit a lot from for different communities as well, because then they have to travel less on their cars and they can travel faster to different areas of the city. Thank you.